Organizations can be complicated in their setup. They may have different silos, be in different countries, and have various departments and programs while each having their own products. Life begins before epics and user stories. Upper layers of the organization need a place to visualize the future and put strategic plans into action without the constraint of ALMs and other tooling. Introducing Kendis Batches, a new concept built to visualize the downstream effort needed to accomplish your goals. Create your departments, programs, and even release trains, and then connect OKRs, roadmaps, ALM epics, and more. Plug your batches into your release trains or delivery teams to receive specific progress reports based on your batch. Individualizing different programs, projects, or groupings batched together. It is our mission to provide a tool that evolves to your specific needs. Kendis, the only scaling solution you will ever need.